Alright, everybody, this is from my pal DodgyTrousers. A little old 2011 Topps Value box. I got some more coming in. I've not of these, but of a different year. I can't remember if it's 2012 or 2010. Might be the 2012 ones. So we'll see if people like those as much as they like these. They will be cheaper anyway. Alright, bud, let's see what you got. And it's a regular old red. Yeah, they have the heritage. Yep. Whole lot of not much. Jonathan Papelbon. Dustin Ackley. Gio Gonzalez. It's a nice card. Eric Hosmer's rookie. Cognac. And Eric Hosmer. D. Gordon Stapler. Alright, last update pack. Alright, bud. This is either going to be a bummer box or you're going to have something cool in here. And you have Vizcaíno Futures. Wah, wah. Alright, that was a bummer box. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to get you a bummer box.